Do you need to keep fuel consumption under control or monitor the stock levels of your company's storage facilities? Would you like to track refueling activities and the status of each individual work site or cost center? The solution is Emilcloud, the first management system for fuel control and refueling operations that works entirely in the cloud. Emilcloud was developed with a clear aim: to enable maximum cost efficiency for all companies managing large fleets of vehicles and drivers, while ensuring continuous monitoring and a high level of data security. Emilcloud operates through a latest generation 7 inches touchscreen panel. The panel is connected to a stationary or transportable tank, and thanks to internet connectivity via API, it constantly communicates in a bi-directional way with a web portal accessible from any device, sharing all collected data to an online cloud account. The real advantage of the new Emilcloud lies in its web platform, from which total supervision of company storage facilities is possible. The platform runs entirely in the cloud via an online website, with no need to download any additional software. From the dashboard, you can view at a glance fuel tank status, estimated consumption, installation locations, latest operations, and a calendar where maintenance activities or deadlines can be scheduled. The platform also allows the monitoring of all fuel tank filling percentages and withdrawal or refilling operations, the configuration of installations, fuels and job orders, the creation or deactivation of vehicle and driver profiles, and the generation of complete reports. Emilcloud provides an advanced and flexible reporting system, fully accessible via web platform. Data can be exported directly from the portal in Excel format. The system allows each dispensing operation to be associated with a specific job order or job site, enabling accurate cost center management. Changes made on the portal, drivers, vehicles, depots, job sites, are automatically shared with the panel every 5 minutes, ensuring constant alignment. Firmware updates on the panel are also carried out remotely, without the need for on-site intervention by an operator. To ensure a high level of system security, a user role management model is adopted, defining specific permissions and limitations for allowed operations. The admin has full control over the entire cloud and all configuration options. The editor is the operational manager. They can perform all main changes but cannot change panel passwords, create admin users, or create new installations. The viewer is a read-only user. They can access all dashboard information and extract reports, but cannot make changes or delete data. The app user can write or overwrite tags for authentication, either via a PC application or a smartphone app. Finally, API roles can be assigned, available upon request for admin users, for data extraction towards third-party management systems. Every manual cancellation or modification of withdrawals or refueling operations is recorded in a non-deletable backup log page. This ensures complete monitoring of all performed operations. To start a refueling operation, both the vehicle and the driver must be identified. The identification takes place via tags, which can be tokens or wristbands. In addition to physical tags, Emilcloud also allows management of user or vehicle codes through virtual tags, which can be remotely enabled or disabled via cloud and API communication. Tag codes are configured through cloud-based profiles. The creation, writing of a physical tag, token, or wristband can be done in 2 ways: via PC application and a USB port, via mobile app for iOS and Android using an NFC-enabled smartphone. Thanks to Emilcloud, in case of loss of the physical tags required to activate the system, PC application is not necessary anymore. From now on, It will be possible to create or disable profiles directly from a smartphone and activate new tokens using the dedicated app and NFC. To further enhance control over company fuel management, limits and restrictions can be applied to each individual tag. The system includes withdrawal limits, customizable restrictions per operation, time slots, depots, fuel tanks or dispensers, job sites or job orders. Dual fuel management, possibility to assign a tag to two specific fuels, for example, diesel and AdBlue, preventing unauthorized dispensing. Vehicle parameters, monitoring based on kilometers, hours, or both. The system displays the previous value on screen to avoid random inputs. Maintenance, automatic notifications for driver and vehicle deadlines, with the option to archive activities as read or completed. The system supports up to 3 expansion boards to manage a total of 9 pulsars and 18 probes. It is therefore possible to configure multiple dispensers on a single fuel tank or create complex setups for large installations. The display automatically resizes to show up to 6 flow meters simultaneously, allowing multiple tag authentications in real time without waiting between one dispensing operation and another. To connect to the cloud, the panel integrates different connection modes, managed according to a predefined priority order. LAN, network cable, native Wi-Fi, SIM, 4G modem. In case of emergency or SIM signal loss, the panel can connect to an external mobile hotspot via mobile network. The integrated GPS enables precise localization of panels and fuel tanks on the map displayed in the dashboard. In addition, the fuel tank levels are directly visible on the map. Thanks to Wi-Fi or LAN connectivity, even without a physical SIM, the system can send SMS and email alerts to predefined contacts. Alerts can be triggered for abnormal liquid drop, temperature, water presence, reserve reached, detected loading, or power failure. A pre-installed and removable SD card continuously copies the panel status. In case of hardware failure, the card can be inserted into a new panel for immediate restoration. A new power supply manages a UPS battery that activates in case of blackout. Operations interrupted due to power loss are saved and automatically transmitted when the system restarts. Emilcloud is the advanced platform for remote control, management, and supervision of fuel dispensing systems, which does not require additional software to be installed on a PC, nor any hidden subscription or licensing costs. The platform is translated into more than 15 languages, allowing anyone to fully use its capabilities without language barriers. Emilcloud features a new capacitive 7 inches panel with 1024 by 600 resolution and 3.2 millimeter protective glass. Operating temperature from -20 degrees to +50 degrees Celsius. Brighter, more precise, and more durable. Emilcloud. Manage your fleet in an integrated way. From refueling to cost center, everything in the cloud.